uh, 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 uh,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami mahasiswa program studi pendidikan profesi apoteker angkatan pertama Fakultas Farmasi Universitas Halu Oleo. Pada kesempatan kali ini, kami akan menjelaskan tutorial penggunaan sediaan suppositoria yang baik. Berikut penjelasan videonya.
How to use suppository. You are not alone if you are asking what am I supposed to do with these things. Inserting a suppository isn't pleasant, but it can be very painless if done properly. Always follow the directions from your pharmacist or the manufacturer when using medication to avoid serious health problems. 1. Use the restroom to empty your bowel and bladder if possible. 2. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and dry with a towel. 3. Unwrap the suppository. Suppository melt with body heat to allow for absorption into the bloodstream. Do not hold it in your hand for too long or it will begin to melt, will be unusable. 4. Squat or lie down on your side, bending one leg up and keeping the other leg straight out. 5. Insert the suppository pointed end first gently. Push until it is completely inserted and squeeze your leg and buttock together. Suppository may be inserted rectally, vaginally, or the ureter depending on their purpose. Be sure to read the direction to determine where particular suppository should be inserted. 6. Wash your hands thoroughly. 7. Lie down and rest for up to 15 minutes to give the suppository time to be absorbed. 8. Wait to use the restroom for at least 1 hour after insertion.
Itulah tadi penjelasan penggunaan sediaan suppositoria yang baik dan benar. Jangan lupa di like,
Komen,
subscribe,
dan Asia.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a